Hey everybody, we're in the shop today. We're going to be putting this lawnmower together. So this is a lawnmower I got on trade a while back. It's just kind of been sitting in the yard. I haven't been doing much with it. It needs a motor, so we're going to put a motor on it. Lucas is going to do most of the work. We came up with a plan. Why don't you tell them about the plan?
If we fix the lawnmower, we can sell the lawnmower. He can get his money back on what he spent on it, and we can use the rest of the money to get me a dirt bike.
Yeah. Lucas been pestering his mama about getting him a dirt bike for a while. She finally said, I guess. So I was figuring up a way to pay for a dirt bike, and I was like, yeah, we can put this mower together. I could make Lucas actually put the mower together. He could learn something in the process. Then we sell it, and we get him money to buy a dirt bike. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'll help Lucas with things he needs help with, and I'll give him instruction, but he's going to be doing most of the work. I want to teach him about working in the shop, and teach him just starting mechanicking. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's go get the motor. We'll set it in, and we'll get going on it. How about that? So this is a Kohler motor. It's a 25 horse. It's a CH25S Kohler motor. So we're going to get Lucas to start bolting it up. So these are the ones that are going to go through the bottom. The bolts are going to go through the bottom and these are going to go through the top. Okay. And then we also, there's 4 of them. There's 4 of these. Okay? And these are going to go through here into these holes. We have lined it up. These 2 bolts, one goes here and one goes here. And they're threaded in, so you gotta just start threading. Stuff them in the hole, just thread them in. Okay. Once it started, you don't have to go all the way in. Just do holes right here. Okay guys, we're fixing to mount the exhaust up. So I'm gonna hold the exhaust for Lucas and he's gonna mount it. Go do yourself a favor. Go let the mower down a little bit more. It's only gonna help you out. Come on down. All right. Get you a gasket. Now, first off, you need to put one bolt through here. Okay. Now put the gasket on. It's all right. Put the gasket on. No. Put the gasket on this side. Okay. Now, I'm gonna hold the muffler, but you need to hold all that in place, and then we're gonna slide it in. Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
See, your gasket fell. Look, can you see? Get over there where you can see. All right. There we go. All right. Now, can you start that screw? His hand's right in the way, we can't see nothing. That's all right.
It started.
It started? Good, now put your nut on the other side. You can move that wire if you need to. Get it started. You getting it? Righty-tighty.
Yep. Okay, there.
Okay, now we got to do the same thing on this side. So get your 2 bolts and your gasket. Now, come around here, all the way around. It's gonna be a lot easier to do it that way. Okay, so give me your other bolt. I'm gonna put it through. Hang on. There we go. Now put your gasket on there. Good. Now, we're just gonna ease it up and start threading in yours.
It needs to go a little further.
It needs to go where?
A little further. Oh, there. I think that started.
It started? Okay, now, can you get up? No, you ain't started.
No.
Oh, I dropped mine. Crap. Hang on, we need a light. Where's the light? What we do with the light? Here it is. All right.
Let me see if I can
Well, we're gonna have to pull it back off. You ready?
see it. Let me see if I can catch it. There we go.
All right. Give me one. Let's put this on. Put your gasket on. All right. There you go. Okay, now can you reach over and do this other one? I'm barely holding it. You're gonna have to probably reach with both hands. One under the pipe and one over the pipe. You got it? Oh yeah, you just gotta feel it.
Yeah. I don't know if straight is the problem.
You ain't straight.
No.
There you go. Keep going like that. There you go. You got her now. Now, I'm gonna tell you, the best thing to do is run them as far in by hand as you can. But it's gonna be a lot of wrenching because you gotta wrench them in, because you'll never get a socket and a ratchet on them. You might get a ratchet on.
I might get a ratchet on that one. Probably
Maybe.
not, but not that one.
All right, so let's see what size you need. Maybe a 13. Huh?
So you don't think it's number 14, do you?
I don't think it is. Yeah, it's a 13.
Something like this.
Well, I mean, you can tighten them up like that, but you gotta get them. Where's my 13 inch? Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's a 13. You can start. Here's a longer 13 if you need it. Yeah, take it off so you don't run it back.
Yeah.
I'll show you a trick. I always like to do the closed end, the box end.
Yeah.
Look, let me show you this other trick. Watch this. Turn your wrench over, and then you're not right up here against this thing. Yeah. All right. Look. Let me show you. Whenever you put a wrench on, if it's off a little bit, it's gonna slip, and you're gonna bust your knuckles. Make sure the wrench is all the way on the nut. Good. Okay. Cause boy, them bloody knuckles, they sure hurt. Tighten this one up and make sure. All right, start doing these. We can find you a 13mm socket and a little 1/4 inch ratchet. I'm gonna turn the camera off because it's about to run out of battery and it's getting hot. So we'll bring y'all back after Lucas tightens up them other ones. All right, Lucas got the muffler installed. Now we're on to the pulleys. Let's get this light so we can light this up so our audience can see what's going on. Or you might want it on this side, huh?
Yeah.
Better for you?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the key. It goes in this slot right here. Slide it all the way in. Let's see. Oh, you got it.
I got it?
All right. Yeah, you got it. All right, so now we're gonna put this on so you can take your wrench out of there. Now slide that piece on. You line it up just right.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
We're gonna need the hammer. We're gonna need to tap it. Tap it up on there. Let me see. We need something. Can you hold that camera for me? Let me get a socket that I can put around that and tap it on. Now, we need to tighten up that and that with that Allen wrench. Okay?
Should I do it the other way or is that fine?
Whichever way is good for you. I think I might tap it on a little bit more.
Alright.
Let me see this. Back this off just a hair. Hold that. Better. Now I lost my Allen key. Where'd my Allen key go, Lucas?
Oh, he needs to put some lotion on.
Huh?
Your knuckles are so dry that they cracked.
Yeah. Come here. Look, right down in there. You're gonna have to reach it and get it.
Alright, we got the motor installed and we put in the pulleys.
All right, go ahead. This is all because, what do you want?
Dirt bike.
A dirt bike, yeah. We're gonna get going on that, fellas. We got this accomplished today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.